Question number 6, it says x squared plus 18x plus 81. Okay. Now, so we notice that in between the terms are positive. So this problem is easy. Okay, and this is positive, positive, and positive. So we expect the answers are the positives. So if this is x squared, it means I have 2x there. This is 81. Okay, 81 can be what's if you take 81, you need to look for a number, a product of two numbers. You multiply them, and the answer is 81. So the answer is going to be 9 times 9. Positive 9 times 9 is positive 81. Okay. And then negative 9 times negative 9 is also a positive 81. Okay. So that's how it works. So we need to look for a number that is a product that is the answer is 81. So but we need to verify if this answer matches positive 18 here. Okay, let's add. This is positive, this is positive. 9 plus 9 is 18 positive. Okay, while negative 9 minus 9 is negative 18. So this number here matches our middle term. So the answer is gonna be x plus 9, the first one, and x plus 9. Okay, so answer is letter D. Next, example number 7. Example number 7, it's x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay, the same process we're going to do. We need to factor the x. We have factor x here. This is negative, and this is positive. So if I factor x, it's going to be x and x. And if I factor the 10, okay, it's going to be two ways. It can be 5 times negative 2, okay, or negative 5 times 2. Okay, there's two factors there. So remember, we need to satisfy the negative 3 here. So 5 minus 2 is going to be positive 3. It's a positive. It doesn't match that. While negative 5 plus 2, it's negative 3. So this matches that number there. So the final answer will be x minus 5 and x plus 2. So the answer is letter C. Question number 8. Question number 8, 6x squared plus 7x minus 3. Okay. So this time, this is earlier it was easy. This is medium. Okay, medium. Let's start with this. Let's get the product of 6. But this is positive. The product of 6 is 3 times 2. Okay. And x squared is x and x. Well, we need to look for the product of negative 3. It can be negative 3 times 1, or 1, or positive 3 times negative 1. Okay. but we need to verify. Okay, let's verify first. Let's start with negative. Let's start with this and this. 3x minus 3 and this and that. 2x plus 1. If I distribute this times 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times 1 is positive 3x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. If I subtract this number here, 3x minus 6x is equals to negative 3x. It doesn't match our middle coefficient. So this doesn't work. So this is not. Okay. Let's look the other one here. This and this. Let's try. 3x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. If distribute 3x to 2x, it's going to be 6x squared. 3x to negative 1 is negative 3x. 3 times 2x is positive 6x. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So negative 3x plus 6x, this answer will be positive 3x positive okay, and then this doesn't match that, so let's figure out another one here. How about if I flip the number here? It's 3x minus 1, I'm going to use that, and 2x plus 3. Okay. Multiply 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Multiply, this turns to positive 9x. Distribute this turns to plus 2x. Negative, my bad, minus 2x. Distribute this turns to negative 3. If I subtract 9x minus 2x, it gives me 7x. It matches that number there. So I'm just going to bring this down here and bring this down here. So the answer is 3x plus 3x minus 1 and 2x plus 3, letter A.